This is an example of a course that was created for a geometry class, and this is an example with the modules pages. This is best used if you want to go by sequential order, like in a certain order. So what you would do, these are some announcements that get posted, and you can choose that option or not. But I have organized this course by 6 weeks grading periods. And I always put the most recent at top so kids can find the most recent information first. But if you open this module, you'll see all the content buried inside of there. So we have optional 6 weeks test, we have final exams, we have specific days that if you open those days, you've got notes and practice worksheets that the kids were supposed to complete. You have each day the objective and everything that was done for that day, any worksheets that they need, things like that. So again, this one is best if you're a beginner and if you want to just kind of line everything out in order, either by grading periods or by chapter units. Like if you want to go unit 1, unit 2. So it's real easy. It just kind of goes in sequential order, and it's real easy for kids to maneuver and navigate through this site, and it's probably the easiest one out of the two options to begin creating a course with.